Hello guys, it's Dale here. Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and I'll do a day trading analysis with volume profile on Bitcoin. But before that, just a quick note that the 52% discount, the Black Friday sale, will be ending later today. So if you are interested in learning how to trade with order flow, then you can go to my website, trader-dale.com, and click this button which says order flow. And there's complete order flow course along with order flow and volume profile indicators, which you can get 52% discounted. All right. If you are interested in trading with volume profile, then go over here where there's a pack which is called the Elite Pack. And the Elite Pack will teach you everything about trading with volume profile. And it will also grant you access to my day trading levels, which you'll get every day, and also to my volume profile indicators. This pack is also 52% discounted, but only today, because today the Black Friday sale will be ending. All right, so that's about that. Let me now switch over to the Bitcoin chart. So here we go. This is a Bitcoin chart. You're looking at a 30-minute time frame. And what I want to talk about today is a strong support that formed earlier today. It is in here at 16,490, and it is based on a setup which I call the volume accumulation setup. This is my favorite volume profile setup, and what you want to see with this setup is a rotation like in here, and from that rotation you need to see very strong trend activity, exactly like this one. This was very strong buying activity. See, especially that huge green candle right here. This is telling us that strong buyers are in control and pushing the price aggressively upwards. And those buyers must have accumulated the long positions somewhere. They did it before they started to manipulate the price to shoot upwards. And if you use volume profile here, you will see that the place where they accumulated the longs was in here. Those are the longs, right? You see that on the volume profile. Those are pretty huge volumes here accumulated within the rotation. So buyers were building up the longs here and then they pushed the price aggressively upwards. This is telling us that this zone is a very important zone for the buyers because they placed a lot of the longs there. And those buyers are likely to defend this zone because it's important for them. That's why this should work as a strong support. So when the price makes a pullback to this support at some point in the future, then it is likely that buyers from this place will want to defend this area and push the price upwards, right? That's why this support should work and the price should bounce off it. Now looking at volumes, you can also stretch the volume profile a bit like this, and it will reveal that there are also heavy volumes right there before the start of this strong buying activity and at the bottom of this newly formed uptrend. This heavy volume zone is somewhere around 16,220. In here, this is where the heavy volume zone begins. And this one should also work as a support, right? So we have support number 1 and support number 2 in here. Ideal scenario would be wait for the pullback to the first support, then a reaction, and then another pullback. You don't trade for the second time, right? You trade the support only once. So then a pullback to the second support and reaction from there. This is the ideal case scenario. What we need to do now is just wait for the price to make those pullbacks and trade from there. Alright, so that's my take on the Bitcoin. I hope you guys liked the analysis and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses that I showed you at the beginning of the video, then I'll see you in the members area. Alright, so that's for that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy trading!